If you are an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or someone who enjoys making protein shakes, smoothies, or other nutritious drinks, a good quality shaker bottle is an essential tool to have in your kitchen or gym bag. This is where our list of the top 5 best shaker bottles available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle. BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle is the perfect companion for anyone who needs to mix and enjoy protein shakes, pre-workout supplements, or other nutritional drinks. Whether you are an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or someone who is looking to stay healthy, this shaker bottle is a must-have. The BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle is made with high-quality materials that are designed to last. It is made with BPA-free and phthalate-free Eastman Triton plastic, which is highly durable and resistant to impact, odors, and stains. The bottle also features a leak-proof seal that prevents spills and leaks even when you are on the go. This shaker bottle has a 28-ounce capacity, making it large enough to hold a generous serving of your favorite drink. It also features a patented BlenderBall wire whisk that helps you mix your drink to a smooth and creamy consistency. The BlenderBall is made of surgical-grade stainless steel, making it resistant to rust and corrosion. Number 4. HELIMIX 2.0 Vortex Shaker Bottle. The HELIMIX 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is a high-quality portable drink mixer that is perfect for anyone who loves to make protein shakes, smoothies, cocktails, or other nutritional drinks. This blender bottle is made in the USA, and it is designed to be highly durable, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Unlike traditional shaker bottles that require a blending ball or whisk to mix the ingredients, the HELIMIX 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle uses a patented vortex designed to mix your drinks. The bottle features a unique vortex-shaped mixer that creates a powerful and smooth blending motion, ensuring that your drinks are mixed perfectly every time. The HELIMIX 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle has a 28-ounce capacity, which is perfect for making a generous serving of your favorite drink. The bottle also features a leak-proof design that prevents spills and leaks, making it perfect for use on the go. Number 3. VOLTRX Protein Shaker Bottle. The VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle is a revolutionary device that makes it easy to mix protein shakes, smoothies, and other nutritional drinks quickly and efficiently. The bottle is made with Triton material that is BPA-free, ensuring that it is safe for use. This electric protein shaker bottle features a 24 ounces capacity that is perfect for mixing a generous serving of your favorite drink. It is also equipped with a powerful motor that creates a high-speed vortex, ensuring that your drink is mixed thoroughly and without lumps. One of the best features of the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle is its portability. The bottle is USB rechargeable, meaning that you can charge it with your phone charger or laptop, making it ideal for use on the go. It also has a leak-proof design that prevents spills, making it perfect for use in the gym or when traveling. The bottle also features a clear measurement scale, allowing you to measure your ingredients accurately. This is especially useful for those who need to measure their protein powders or other supplements precisely. Number 2. BLACKUBE Protein Shaker Bottles. The BLACKUBE Electric Protein Shaker Bottle is a powerful and convenient tool for making protein shakes. This bottle features a rechargeable motor that creates a vortex to blend your drink thoroughly, making it the perfect companion for workouts or on-the-go nutrition. The bottle is made with Triton material that is BPA-free, ensuring that it is safe for use. This material is also durable, making the BLACKUBE Electric Protein Shaker Bottle long-lasting and resistant to damage. The 24 ounces capacity of the bottle is perfect for a generous serving of your favorite protein shake or smoothie. The BLACKUBE electric protein shaker bottle is also very easy to use. Simply add your ingredients to the bottle, turn on the motor, and the Vortex will blend your drink thoroughly in just a few seconds. The motor is powerful enough to handle even the thickest protein powders, ensuring that you get a smooth and creamy drink every time. One of the best features of this electric protein shaker bottle is its portability. The bottle is USB rechargeable, meaning that you can charge it with your phone charger or laptop, making it ideal for use on the go. It is also lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your gym bag or backpack. Number 1. Promixx Pro Shaker Bottle. The Promixx Pro Shaker Bottle XR Edition is a powerful and innovative tool for making smooth protein shakes and other nutritional drinks. This shaker bottle features a rechargeable motor that creates a vortex to blend your drink thoroughly, making it the perfect companion for workouts or on-the-go nutrition. One of the standout features of this shaker bottle is its rechargeable motor. This allows you to charge the bottle using a USB cable, making it convenient and easy to use. The motor is also powerful enough to blend even the thickest protein powders, ensuring that you get a smooth and creamy drink every time. The Promixx Pro Shaker Bottle XR Edition also includes supplement storage, making it convenient to bring your supplements with you wherever you go. The storage compartment is located at the bottom of the bottle, making it easy to access. The bottle is made with BPA-free materials, ensuring that it is safe for use. The 20 ounces capacity of the bottle is perfect for a generous serving of your favorite protein shake or smoothie. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.